Have you ever wondered how a simple herb can have a significant impact on your health? Today, we will explore cilantro, a plant many know only as a seasoning, but which holds surprising secrets for well-being. Let's dive deep into the nutritional benefits of cilantro, explore its medicinal properties, and learn practical ways to incorporate it into your daily diet. If you're looking to boost your energy, improve digestion, or simply feel better about yourself, you're in the right place. Get ready for a revealing insight into the power of cilantro and how it can be the key to better health. Cilantro, scientifically known as Coriandrum sativum, is an herb with roots deeply embedded in ancient history, with a trajectory that spans millennia and continents. Originating from the Mediterranean and Middle Eastern regions, cilantro was already cultivated and used by ancient civilizations such as the Egyptians, who considered it a sacred plant. Cilantro seeds have been found in pharaonic tombs, indicating its culinary and spiritual value. In India, cilantro is a constant presence in traditional cuisine, being one of the main ingredients in spice blends like curry. The herb also plays an important role in Ayurvedic medicine, where it is valued for its digestive and detoxifying properties. In Greece and Rome, cilantro was widely used to flavor wines and foods, and its seeds were frequently mentioned in ancient medical texts for their healing properties. As trade expanded, cilantro traveled to Asia, Africa, and eventually to the Americas, where it became an essential ingredient in various regional cuisines. Today, cilantro is a global herb, appreciated for its unique flavor and health benefits, continuing to be a bridge between cultures and culinary traditions around the world. Nutritional benefits of cilantro. Cilantro is a true nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that contribute to a balanced and healthy diet. Cilantro leaves are an excellent source of vitamin A, essential for eye health and maintaining healthy skin. Additionally, they are rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and aids in iron absorption. Another vital component found in cilantro is vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health. Cilantro also contains small amounts of B-complex vitamins, which are important for energy metabolism and brain function. In terms of minerals, cilantro offers potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and iron, which is essential for red blood cell formation and anemia prevention. Furthermore, cilantro has antioxidant properties thanks to the presence of compounds such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, which help combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. Compared to other herbs, cilantro stands out for its comprehensive nutritional profile, making it a valuable addition to any diet seeking to promote health and overall well-being. Health benefits. Cilantro is not only a flavorful ingredient, but also a powerful ally in promoting health. One of the most notable benefits of cilantro is its ability to reduce inflammation in the body. Thanks to its anti-inflammatory compounds, such as linoleic acid and cineol, cilantro can help alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions, such as arthritis and other chronic diseases. Additionally, cilantro is known for its positive effects on heart health. Studies suggest that regular consumption of cilantro can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels, the bad cholesterol, and increase HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, thus promoting a healthy balance and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Cilantro also contains potassium, which aids in regulating blood pressure, contributing to a healthier cardiovascular system. Another significant benefit of cilantro is its ability to improve digestion. Cilantro leaves and seeds contain dietary fibers that help regulate bowel movements and prevent digestive issues, such as constipation and bloating. Moreover, cilantro has carminative properties, which help relieve gas and cramps. Cilantro is also rich in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in combating free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to premature aging, and the development of chronic diseases. The antioxidants present in cilantro, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, help protect the body's cells against this damage, promoting robust cellular health. With all these benefits, cilantro stands out as a versatile and beneficial herb, capable of improving overall health in various ways, making it a valuable addition to any dietary regimen. Scientific studies and evidence. The effectiveness of cilantro in promoting health has been the subject of several scientific studies, which seek to validate its traditional benefits with modern evidence. A published study highlighted the antioxidant properties of cilantro, demonstrating that its bioactive compounds, such as flavonoids, are effective in neutralizing free radicals, thus reducing oxidative stress in the body. Another relevant study investigated the effects of cilantro on cardiovascular health. The results indicated that regular consumption of cilantro extract can help lower LDL cholesterol and triglyceride levels while increasing HDL cholesterol, contributing to a healthier lipid profile. Additionally, research on the anti-inflammatory properties of cilantro revealed that its components, such as linoleic acid, can help reduce inflammatory markers in the body, offering relief for conditions like rheumatoid arthritis. These findings were published, reinforcing the therapeutic potential of cilantro in anti-inflammatory treatments. Testimonials from individuals who have incorporated cilantro into their diets also corroborate these studies, reporting improvements in digestion, increased energy, and an overall sense of well-being. Although more research is needed to fully explore the potential of cilantro, current evidence is promising and suggests that this herb can be a beneficial addition to a healthy diet. How to incorporate cilantro into your diet. Incorporating cilantro into your daily diet is a simple and delicious way to enjoy its numerous health benefits. One of the most common ways to use cilantro is as a garnish in various dishes. Its fresh leaves can be chopped and added to salads, soups, and stews, providing a fresh and citrusy flavor that complements a wide range of recipes. For those who enjoy cooking, cilantro can be a key ingredient in sauces and pestos. Blend cilantro leaves with garlic, nuts or seeds, olive oil, and lemon juice to create a vibrant pesto that can be used in pasta, sandwiches, or as a side for grilled meats. Additionally, cilantro seeds, known as coriander seeds, are often used in seasonings and marinades. They can be toasted and ground to intensify their flavor, making an excellent addition to curry dishes, stews, and even homemade bread. For a refreshing drink, try adding cilantro leaves to green smoothies or detox juices. Their combination with citrus fruits like lemon or orange not only enhances the flavor, but also boosts the nutritional benefits. With these tips, cilantro can easily become a versatile and nutritious ingredient in your daily kitchen. When considering the inclusion of cilantro in your diet, it's important to remember that, like any food, it should be consumed in moderation. Although cilantro offers many health benefits, some people may experience allergic reactions. Symptoms such as skin rashes, itching, or breathing difficulties after consumption indicate the need to avoid this herb. Additionally, cilantro can interact with certain medications, especially those affecting blood clotting. Therefore, it is advisable to consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes, especially if you are on medication. In summary, cilantro is a powerful and versatile herb that can enrich your diet with essential nutrients and antioxidants. By integrating it consciously and balanced, you can reap its benefits without compromising health. Remember that the key to a healthy diet is variety, and cilantro can be a tasty and nutritious addition to your culinary repertoire. I hope you have discovered new ways to incorporate this powerful herb into your diet and are inspired to try your favorite recipes with a touch of cilantro. I would like to invite you to share your experiences with cilantro in the comments below. Have you noticed any difference in your health by consuming cilantro regularly? Your stories can inspire others to explore the benefits of this herb. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our upcoming videos, where we will continue to explore health and wellness tips. Thank you for watching and for being part of this community dedicated to improving health naturally and affordably. Until next time, and remember, small changes can lead to great transformations in your health and well-being.